NVIDIA RTX 4070 launch date confirmed, expected pricing, performance vs RTX 3070, and more. According to leaks and industry insiders, the NVIDIA RTX 4070 is slated to be launched within just a month from now, on Thursday, April 13th. Reliable Twitter leaker Hongsing 2020 took to the platform to confirm that the fourth installment in the RTX 40 series will be the 4070, the direct successor to the RTX 3070 that ended up being one of the most popular GPUs last gen. Previously, video cards had reported that Team Green was prepping an RTX 40 series GPU for an April 2023 launch. If the 4070 does hit shelves next month, it will be well before our previous prediction of a Compute's 2023 unveiling. Nvidia still kept RTX 4060 a secret. The card should debut sometime in the next quarter as well. The RTX 4070 is expected to be leaps ahead of the last general RTX 3070. As per leaked specs, the 4070 will pack the same number of cores as the last general RTX 3070. However, this doesn't mean that the upcoming Ada Lovelace-based 40 series card will be as powerful as its last gen equivalent. With the Ada Lovelace architecture, Nvidia has introduced faster CUDA cores, more efficient thermal design, and an overall uplift in the graphics computing power of each GPU. Thus, the 4070 can outperform the last gen equivalent with a similar CUDA core count. In addition, the 4070 will pack 12GB of fast GDDR6X memory. The transfer speed of the card is rumored to be 21 gigabits per second. This is a step up from the 8GB 14 gigabits per second memory in the 3070. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. GPU AD104-250A1. CUDA cores 5888. Memory size 12 GB. Memory type 21 gigabits per second GDDR6X. TDP 200W. If these leaked specs are anything to go by, the card should pack a theoretical performance of about 29 teraflops. The RTX 3070 has a theoretical performance of 20.31 teraflops, and the PlayStation 5 packs an estimated computing potential of 10.28 teraflops. While the theoretical performance does not indicate how the graphics card will perform in-game, it is a good estimate of what to expect. Expected pricing of the RTX 4070. The 70 class GPUs are part of a $500 lineup from Nvidia. The RTX 2070 Super and the 3070 were introduced with this price tag. However, one should consider inflation and the pricing trends of other RTX 40 series cards while estimating the price of the RTX 4070. Considering these factors, we believe the upcoming Nvidia GPU will cost gamers around $550 to $600. Anything above this price tag will make the card too expensive, while anything below this mark will make it a solid option for mid-range gaming. If Nvidia ends up launching RTX 4070 on April 13th, it will draw in more gamers to the performance levels these cards are capable of. Frame generation technology is a game changer. Thus, waiting for the upcoming Nvidia card will be worthwhile.